This is my GE fridge, 48 inches stainless steel, made in 2000. Up in top here I've cleaned my coils. I have this big black thing, this big silver box. I'm not sure what it is. It sounds like a motor. When I close the freezer, it kicks on and it has a loud vibration, a hum. When I open the freezer, it'll stop and until the fan kind of wind down. Close. This noise isn't on all the time, but it's on. It kicks on several times a day and it gets really, really loud. Maybe a fan is touching something.